Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the place where we bring you the hottest rides, the freshest reveals, and everything in between. If you're passionate about wheels, speed, and style, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the official unveiling of the all-new 2025 Opel Insignia, a next-generation model that's turning heads for all the right reasons. The 2025 Opel Insignia has made a bold statement with its striking new design, and yes, it's illegally fast. At first glance, you're met with an aggressive front grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and a sweeping silhouette that's both sporty and elegant. The design language has clearly evolved into something much more confident and assertive, and it's impossible to ignore the boldness of the BB design elements that wrap the body with aerodynamic precision. Under the hood, this beast offers a thrilling experience with a range of powertrains, including a high-performance turbocharged variant that pushes boundaries. The top-of-the-line model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that pumps out nearly 300 horsepower, launching the Insignia from 0 to 100 km/h in just under 6 seconds. That's right, this luxury cruiser doesn't just look fast, it is fast. Now let's step inside, because the interior of the 2025 Opel Insignia is where sophistication meets innovation. The cockpit is ultra-modern, boasting a fully digital curved display, a revamped infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and haptic touch controls that make every interaction feel futuristic. High-quality soft-touch materials, customizable ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating with massage functions elevate the comfort to another level. The cabin is impressively quiet thanks to Opel's improved insulation and active noise cancellation tech, making it perfect for long, relaxed drives. In terms of tech, it doesn't fall short. It features the IntelliDrive 2.0 system with advanced driver assistance, semi-autonomous capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera, and a heads-up display. You also get wireless charging, a panoramic sunroof, premium Bose sound system, and multiple USB-C ports for all passengers. On the practical side, the new Insignia provides ample cargo space, split folding rear seats, and upgraded climate control for both rows. Whether you're in the driver's seat or lounging in the back, it's clear this is a car designed with both performance and comfort in mind. Now, let's talk price. The base model starts at around €36,000, with higher trims in the performance variant climbing up to the €48,000 mark. Considering what you get, it's a competitive package in the midsize premium segment. So, is the 2025 Opel Insignia worth it? With a refreshed bold design, a jaw-dropping interior, and high-speed capability that borders on supercar territory, the answer is a solid yes. It's not just an upgrade, it's a transformation, and it might just be the best Insignia yet. That's it for today's review on Ride Reviews. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Opel Insignia in the comments below. Would you drive one? Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and first looks right here. See you in the next one.